It's 1:58 p.m. in the UK. Hello, I am an earthquake update from the United Kingdom. There's been no earthquake reported today at 1:41 p.m. UK time until when midnight comes. The whole town will shake for about 10 seconds, and that's it, and all gone again. And we'll be all right then. The earthquake happened in the United Kingdom every 3 years now. This is an earthquake. This is no earthquake reported in the United Kingdom. There's been no earthquake. There's been 9.0 today in the UK. Yes, Alice. Only watch on my yes, yeah, oh yeah. There's no earthquake reported. Only watching mirrors, and that's it. Earthquake, mirrors of earthquakes. That's it. We're not gotten here. This is a bad earthquake. There is an earthquake in some areas in the United States. There is no earthquake reported about 1:43 p.m. UK time today. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.